Hello everyone, myself Rohan Padle, student of SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today I'm here to discuss a topic called McKinsey 7S framework, which comes under the subject called strategical management. Let's discuss McKinsey 7 frameworks briefly. It's developed in early 1980 by Tom Pritter and the Robert Waterman. The basic premise of this model is that there are seven internal aspects of organization that need to be aligned if it is was to be successful. Where the 7S model can be used. It's used in many places to implement the performance of a company, to examine likely effect for future changes within a company, to align departments and process, to determine what is the best way to implement a proposed strategy. There are seven elements of 7S framework under which they both are categorized into two different things, hard elements and soft elements. Under the hard element, strategy, structure, and system is there, and in the soft element, shared value, skill, style, staff is there. Hard elements. Hard elements are easier to define or identify and manage, can directly influence them. These are strategically statement or organized charts and reports lines or formal process and IT system. Soft. Soft elements are on the other hand can be more difficult to describe and are less tangible, more influenced by the culture. However, these soft elements are as important as the hard element if organization is going to be successful. Key point of this model. The key point of this model is that all seven areas are interconnected and a change in one area requires change into the rest of them for it is to be function effectively. The next point is strategy. The plan diversing to maintain and build competitive advantage over the competition. Structure, the way organization is structured and who reports to whom. System, the daily activity and the procedure that staff member engage in to get the job done. Shared value, these are the core values of the companies that are evidence to corporate culture and the general work ethics. Style, the style of the leadership adopted. Staff, the employees and their general capability. Skill, the actual skill and competency of the employee workers for the company. Shared value, it's a business is aligned around the value of designs and user experience. Strategy, focus on the small number of products and to make them innovative and excellent. Enable the business to capture a huge market share relatively to its size and build a loyal customer following. Staff, it's offer their employee huge benefits. Skill, highly qualified and creative employees. System, supply chain with build capacity for launching and supplying huge market domain products. Style, people are free to innovate as long as they meet jobs high standard. How to use these tools? Step 1, identify the area that are not effective align. Second step, determine the optimal organization design. Step number 3, decide whether the what changes should be made. Step 4, make necessary changes. Step 5, continuously review the 7S. That's it from my side. Thank you very much